Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a mesh gradient in Adobe Photoshop. Create a new project and then go to brush tool, take a brush tool, pick a size. For me is 1800 pixels and then choose a color. Usually it takes 3 colors to make mesh gradient. I'm gonna choose in website called Colors. And I'm gonna choose those 3 colors. I'm gonna pick the first one. And then go here and change and put random colors on the page. And yellow. And then go to filter and choose liquify. And here we're going to change a little bit. And that's it. If you wanna make some retro looking to this mesh gradient, you can go to noise and add noise. For me it's 8.5. Click OK, and that's it.